Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, to a very nice song here from Daniel Caesar. And he's actually very appreciated here on Growing Guitar, so I thought we'd bring up this one as well, Waiting in Vain, okay? So this song is mainly about two different chords, and we'll have some short portion there in the song later on where we need three additional chords to it. So mainly two chords, but we will learn 5 in total. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo here. So we're going here with the G, and it's enough to just hold this two strings like this. Third on E string and second on A, and everything else down there is open. All right, so that's the G we're gonna use for this one, and the C major 7. You take the exact same very grip there and move it 2 strings or 1 string down like this. So that happens to be third on A, second on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. So everything else down there is open. So just between this grip, and you move it 1 string down, so to speak, and get the C major 7. This is the main part of the song. But then, like I said, we have a short part there later on in the song, so we need to learn 3 more chords to it. So the next will be the D. Okay, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the B minor 7, that's a bar chord. So you place the bar on the 2nd fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. And the final chord is the A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so let's take a look at this main part here. We have an alternating way of playing this between the G and the C major 7. So this is the main part, this transition here, very, very easy. So we have a strumming pattern that goes 4 downs, like this. Okay, so one round is, notice I'm playing on the bass strings here for the 1st, the 2nd, and the 4th down. The 3rd down, I go down a little bit here on the mid top strings. I want to emphasize that one, and that gives us this certain rhythm. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 string around. 4 downs in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is the strumming here. And later on, at about 4 minutes and 12 seconds into the song, you will hear a guitar strumming in the background, and I can show this strumming pattern as well. So before we do that, we're gonna learn to play this one. And like I said, you're gonna alternate the G and the C major 7. So for this 4 downs strumming, you're gonna play 2 per chord. So 2 Gs, and then 2 C majors, and back again to G. That is the main part. Like I said, later on, almost in the end or so, comes another string pattern. I can show you that. And it's a bit longer. And I would actually prefer this first one we just learned, but I want to show you this as well. So if we go to the G here, 1 strum around goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So it's a long one there. And you're just gonna play 1 of these per chord if you choose this one. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. right, so you have both ways of strumming there for this main part. But then about 2 minutes and 3 seconds into the song, we're gonna do the other chords there. So what you do there, you're just gonna play one down per chord, and one round of these chords goes like this, and it will be C major, D, B minor 7, and A minor 7, like this. Again. That's it. That's the only 2 rounds you're gonna play and use these chords, and then go back to the main chords again. So it will be C major, D, pause, then B minor, A, pause, C, D, B, A, like this. But only for 2 rounds, and then after these 2 rounds, like I said, the main part till the very end. And that pretty much covers Daniel Caesar's Waiting in Vain. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Feel free to support me here with your likes, and if you want to subscribe to this, welcome to the family. So I hope you enjoyed it, like I said, and until next time, play tuned.